Welcome back. The Kamin Science Center has a new permanent exhibit. It opens Saturday. It's called The Science of Speed. It takes over what used to be the Sportsworks building.
Yeah, we got to take a test run and found it's unlike anything you've tried before at the Science Center. If you have a need for speed, you can hit the gas in these electric go-karts, testing your racing skills around hairpin turns up and down 3 stories on this 800-foot track. Pittsburgh Mayor Corey O'Connor in number 21 was the first to go full throttle.
Oh, it was fun. It was great. It's a lot faster than you think. And just for a go-kart track to go up and down and around bends, it's definitely a great experience. And we had a lot of fun.
This is the biggest draw of the new Science of Speed exhibit. The cars can go up to 40 miles an hour, about a dozen laps in 6 minutes. On Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays from 5 to 11 at night, it's 18 and older only, with the pit stop bar serving food and drinks.
It's a very different thing for the Science Center. So we've always focused on that 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. crowd. And we really want to be a place where everyone in Pittsburgh feels there's something for them.
I'm off the track now. There are also racing simulators where you can race your friends and family. Feeling the seat move as I drove right off the track and into the grass multiple times. Clearly, I need a lot more practice at that. There's also a Wave Italy Formula One motion simulator, the only one of its kind in Western Pennsylvania. In addition to all the fun with the racing and the simulators, you really can learn a lot about things like vehicle design, aerodynamics, even engine technology of how these cars go so fast. You can also test your reflexes, see a real moto racing suit with built-in airbags, and learn about engines from this exposed Audi R8. I had to give it my best Mario Andretti, so I squatted into the car, not the easiest thing to start, but with the tight-fitting helmet and secure seatbelt, I was ready for the challenge. It's exhilarating maneuvering the tight turns and trying to figure out how to pass someone. Sorry. Okay, so saying sorry might be a sign I'm not a competitive racer, but I did feel like I got a taste of what a real race car driver experience is, and why knowing the science behind it helps you perform better. And that's what it's really all about.
What I really want them to understand is that the racing industry has created innovations that they experience every day. So the cars that we drive now have things in them that exist because of what was created in the industry.
Now, during the day from 10 to 5, you can get into Science of Speed powered by Lenovo using your Kamin Science Center admission ticket. The electric kart racing is for anyone 7 and older and at least 4 feet tall. It's $14 a race, and the simulators are also extra. Now at night, it's free to get in. Each go-kart race is $24. Simulators are extra. And we've got all the details at kdka.com/Kidsburgh and kidsburgh.org.